How to hide notification content on an Android lock screen. So let's just say you're sick of getting notifications on your lock screen, you'd rather just turn them off for a particular app or even all of them. This is how we do it. Go into settings, go to notification and status bar, then click on manage notifications. All your apps that you currently receive notifications for will be listed, and you can either toggle them on or off like so, or if you'd prefer, click lock screen notifications at the top and you can change it to either display title and body, display title only, or do not display at all. And that is how you hide notification content on your Android lock screen.